We will guide you through how to make a PSN account on your PS4. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing. And once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like. And let's jump into this.
So we start up in our primary account. We press the PlayStation button on our controller. We press and hold it. Then we get to the power option in this new section that popped up. We go to the right and we select the switch user option. And for example, we have created a new user that isn't connected to a PSN account. We select that user by clicking the X button. And after we get inside the user, we swipe up using our left analog. Then, when we get to this section, we make sure that we are in the settings option that is located second to last and has a briefcase icon. We select that, and then we go into account management at the top. We select that option right there. Then after we get into account management, we select the sign in to PlayStation Network option. Here it will take us to a screen where we can log into our PlayStation Network account, and you will need to input your sign-in ID, which is your email address and your password. But since we have not created a PlayStation Network account previously, we swipe down to the bottom and we select the new to PlayStation Network, create an account. After we select that, we will be taken to a new screen where we will need to create a new account. For example, we start off, and as you can see the top left, it says join PlayStation Network. Right here, we will just need to input all of our information about ourselves.
After you've entered this information here, you then need to go and click on next at the bottom, and then you'll be taken to another page where you need to go and enter some more information as well. PSN are going to guide you through everything you need to go and enter, so it's quite an easy process. And after you finish creating your PSN account, it'll then be linked to your account on your PS4, and you can then go and play with it. If you guys found this useful, then please consider leaving a like. Peace.